Hey y'all, I know this has got to be quick because this is probably full because I just did so many hauls. But I have one final one. I took it out of the box and the bag so I could just go ahead and do this quickly and show this to you just straight on. This is a Brahmin. It's new. I am in love with this color. This is not a black, it's more like a chocolate brown trim, and that is the color in the Python. And it's got the Brahmin branding bar right there. As usual, on the outside it has a very nice roomy place to put your cell phone. It's flat handles, and that's because this is not a handbag so much as it is a tote. This is a tote size, and the name of it is IONA, I-O-N-A, IONA. Turquoise stone Tecoma genuine leather. And I even asked my husband, does this look okay on me? Because, you know, I'm short, so is this too big a bag? He goes, babe, I think it actually looks good, especially as a tote. Like if we're going on a trip and you have to, I always have a bag in the car that has more room for things like snacks and magazines and things I want to have in the car. This is big enough, y'all. I could wear this to work with my laptop in it. Look at the size of this. Look at the size. I just want to show you both height-wise. And then in here, it's got the two slip pockets, the big zipper pocket in the back, the closure via a clip, and it has probably, yep, on one of the I call them kangaroo pockets, it's got the clip for your car keys so that they don't fall in the bottom of the purse. You can't find them. You just grab that and pull it up. And actually on this side it also has a place, two places for pins. So again, this could definitely be a work bag or just a round weekend bag. And the thing that sold me on it's not the size. It is a nice size and I like it. Is the suppleness of the leather, y'all. I could just like crumble this and it's not even hurting it, which means I'm probably gonna keep it. What do y'all think? You know, I am a Brahmin girl, and those of you who are Brahmin girls, they come out with all kinds of shapes and sizes and patterns and now textures. It's not all Melbournes anymore. They've got some soft leathers, Python leathers, specialty leathers, you know. And, you know, just like this, here's a great example. I've got this cami, which that was kind of the new bag for me as well. This is so much smaller. I mean, look. But they're for two different purposes. But again, look at the shimmeriness of this leather versus the subtleness of this. As far as the shimmer is very subtle, the big deal on this is the pattern, the big Python pattern, and the fact that you wouldn't expect this in this color, this beautiful turquoise. And usually it's turquoise and black, it's turquoise and chocolate, so it's just really pretty. Well, what would you wear this with? Jeans. This is a casual bag to me. Now, if you wanted to dress this up, you definitely could, and I would wear a chocolate brown with it, or a cream colored outfit, like I just got that cream colored jacket, and that would look fantastic. Cream with this would look just fantastic. I would stay away from black, just because this definitely is not black, it's brown. So I would stay with warm colors. So yellow, this would be beautiful on yellow or with an orange. I mean, this would be a daring outfit no matter what. It'd be pretty with even a warm purple, a warm yellow shirt. And I have those kind of things, especially orange. I like orange shirts, especially in the fall. But I don't think this is just a fall tote. It definitely could be. But like I said, this very definitely is, you know, trip mode. Like if you're going to go on a trip, you can just throw, you know, a couple of magazines in here, your iPad or laptop in it, and just a gallon bag of snacks for the car. I usually put some things in there and we get a couple of drinks before we, you know, we'll stop and get either my coffee if it's morning and some of those Lance cheese, peanut butter crackers, and we may stop at Buc-ee's or someplace like that and just get snacks. And I have a baggie, and we'll just keep them. But to keep it from all around the car, I'll just throw it in my purse. And I really like this. But I will tell you, this is not cheap. This is a lot of leather. It's a lot of styling. It's $4.45. Normally, I stay in the $200 to $300 range. At most $4. This is $4.50. So, I mean, it's pushing $500 with tax. And I didn't get it on sale. So, I'm just wondering, what do y'all think? Would you keep it? Do you feel like it's a good collection piece to all the Brahmins that I have? There's nothing really like this. For one thing, it's huge. It's not going to fit on the shelf. It's like my Prada and the new Coach that I got. Now, see, here's the thing. This must be kind of a look right now. Because remember, this is the Coach that I got. And look at that. But that's the black version. This is kind of a brown version. And these sit on the floor, of course, next to the Mama, which I'm thinking about selling. You know, it's the one that I'm having the hardest time selling. I thought, then why are you selling it? If you really like it that much, it's yours. It's paid for. Why do you want to sell it? And this is kind of the rounded bottom look. And when I was going to sell it, I thought, well, this was $5,000. This was $500. And I thought, this is really good leather. This will be kind of my Prada replacement. But they're really different enough. I'm still not convinced I want to get rid of this. I mean, this is grained leather, this is smooth leather, this is very chic, this is very casual. And this one, again, this is the third big bag I've gotten. But these two, this is the only one that's truly like a tote. This is a handbag. This isn't, you could put an iPad in there, but I don't know that you could put a full computer in there. And the Prada, you certainly could not. So, anyway, I just want y'all's opinion on this bag, on the coloring. Do you think I'll get enough wear out of it? The size of it, again, do you think it looks okay on a short person? I'm 5 feet on this foot, and I'm 5'1" on this. Because I do, nobody ever believes it, but I do have a limp. My high school coach did. She'd say, Woodward, get over here. What's wrong with you? Why are you limping? I'm like, I'm not limping. Yeah, you are. Don't argue with me. Run a lap. And she did that to watch me run a lap. She goes, I want to see you. You need to go find yourself a chiropractor or orthopedist and see about your back. So, and nobody's ever believed it. They all say, your feet are the same length, your legs are the same length, your spine's the same length, all the way up to your neck. And then I found out, well, your neck's a little out. So, but this is not an adjustment issue. This is like full time since as far back as I can remember. But anyway, so that's it, y'all. Oh, the biggest thing I didn't tell y'all. I also got the matching wallet. Look how pretty. The big wallet. We used to call them the checkbook wallet, but nobody does checkbooks anymore. Can you see it? I don't want it to be so much on there. And I thought, you know, if you like the pattern that much, just keep the wallet. Just to have a beautiful wallet of those colors. And it's got the card slots and the extra zipper back here. And a couple of extra, they've learned how to, where the zipper part is, to go ahead. For one thing, when it gets too full of receipts and things, it's got two places in case it gets too full. You can pull it back a little. But also an extra place for receipts, and also back here. Oh no, that's not. That's sewn. Okay, so it's nothing on the back, but it doesn't need it. That's enough. And it's just beautiful. Can definitely drop it in there. What do y'all think? Anyway, I gotta go get to cleaning up and then doing some Bible studies. I love y'all. Please go over to my other channel, Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, and enjoy some Bible studies with me. Woo!